Okay, this is a quick 3D printer how-to tips. When it comes to brand new spools, this is what you need to pay attention to. Some companies, they ship them out. It's like beating on a drum. Really good. It's even resealable bags. And if you look close, the desiccant packets. It's got a really good seal on it. This is a really good spool winding. Really good shape for brand new filament. Okay, that I can trust on the shelf for months. Then you get some of them that are really, really hardcore about their shrink wrap. To the point that it actually compresses the spool slightly and deforms it. That's a little bit overkill, but it's still good. It's still got the desiccant packet. Then there's some companies you've got to watch out for. Notice the problem? The bag's sealed, but how can you tell it's sealed? Because there's no vacuum seal to it. But you get a spool like this, always rebag them. I don't care if you don't plan on using it for 6 months or you plan on using it tomorrow. Always open them up, rebag them. You can get Ziploc bags, gallon size, freezer bags, and make sure they're the ones with the tabs. They cannot be the slider. The slider will not fit a spool. It will some of them, but not all of them. You can get these really, really cheap. You can get desiccant really, really cheap packs if you really need to. See? Slides right in there. Fits good. It's a little tight on some of these spools that are real thick and large, but it does a really good job at storing these. Do not leave any spools out. I don't care what other people say, always bag your spools. For what little you spend on these, you'll save a fortune on these. Now you can always store them inside of containers. You can always store them inside of... I did it for 5-gallon buckets for a while. It works. But I can stack these on the shelf. I can see what I've got. And if I get a seal breakage, I'm only losing one spool. I'm not losing them all. All of them that's in that container. Plus I can real quickly, the way I've got them on my storage rack, I can real quickly see each individual spool to look to see what I got and how much I got of it. The other thing I would add is get a food dehydrator. They work really, really good for drying these out if they get any type of moisture in them. Because some people like me live in very humid climates. And trust me, if I lift a spool like this out, it's dead within a month or two. It's useless. So the only spools that are out are the ones that are on my printers. If you enjoyed this tech tip, give me a like. I'll keep adding the little tips on how to modify the machines and all the printing tips. Have a good one.